Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best sloppy joes. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of my new uploads. Now let's get started. So I'm going to get started by browning my ground beef, and I'm using about 1 pound of ground beef here. And when it comes to the type of ground beef you can use whatever you like. So you can use ground sirloin, you can use a lean ground beef, or you can use an 80-20 blend, which is what I'm using for this recipe. So now I'm going to add in a little bit of diced onion, and I'm also going to add some diced red and green bell peppers. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I'm going to cook this until they are soft and translucent. Now I'm going to go in and add some diced jalapeno, a little bit of minced garlic and tomato paste, and I'm also going to add a little bit of brown sugar, and I'm just going to stir this and cook it until we can smell the garlic. Now I'm going to add 1 can of tomato sauce, and I'm using 1 14-ounce can of tomato sauce here. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm also going to add Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of beef broth, and then once I have everything in, I'm going to go ahead and give this a nice stir to combine. We are going to bring this to a boil, then reduce it and allow it to simmer till it gets all nice and thick for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's thickened to your liking. After about 20 to 25 minutes, I'm going to remove my lid to take a look to see if I need to reduce this a little bit more. But judging by the looks of this, I think I'm all set. I love a nice thick sauce for my sloppy joes, so this is perfect. All that's left to do now is to pile my sloppy joe sauce on my buns. You can toast your buns if you want here and dress your sloppy joes up however you choose. We choose to serve ours with plain potato chips. I don't know about y'all, but we ate a lot of sloppy joes growing up, and I always look forward to Sloppy Joe Day. It was probably my favorite day of the week. Well guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another recipe. I'll see you later.